Alright, we're going to be a short rundown on stock number X20529. This is it right here. It's got a Monroe MTE-ZEE folding side. That's an 11-foot dump body on there. We've got this one side here that's already down. You can see that. Let's walk around and take a quick peek at this one. We've got a quick action release lever on both the rear tailgate and the two sides. 2.5-inch receiver, class 5. There's a single action release on the sides. It's 11-inch sides, 17-inch on the back of it, and those are 12 gauge on the sides and the end. Got electric hoist, and the reason I've got this one up, that right there is the Western style. The two long members, those are 10 gauge. That's called a Western style understructure. No cross members. It's a little bit of a weight savings on there. Very rugged with that Western understructure on there. All terrain on our tires. That's part of the chassis setup from General Motors. Coming into the cab. Plenty of storage in the door bins. Top, bottom. Change can go right there. You do have a warning that the body is up. Automatic on your headlights. This is equipped with the trailer brake controller. Tilt and cruise is standard. Power locks was standard. Power windows is not. Along with that power window package, that's part of the convenience package. You've got heated and power outside mirrors. Might not be able to see it in the daylight, but those spotlights are on right there to light up the side of the vehicle as you're backing up, hooking up a trailer. On the inside, 7-inch screen. Does have Bluetooth for your phone. Air conditioning. We did equip this with the auxiliary switches. Does also have snow plow prep. So you've got a wiring harness to get to the front of the truck without drilling through the firewall. And people ask me about this little switch up here all the time. That's provisions for a roof mounted lamp or a beacon. Right now it does nothing, but this truck is already set up with wiring up in the roof. So if you've got an overhead light, overhead flash, or something you're going to hook up, you've got wiring and you've got a switch already there ready to do it. Tilt wheel. There's your dash. And thanks for watching. That is our stock number X20529.